So today I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the camera flash for notifications on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. So what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, go to notifications, tap on that, and then under notifications, scroll and find flash notifications, tap on that, and then you have the camera flash here. So you can disable like that or enable by turning on that button. When it's enabled, whenever you have a notification like a message or an incoming call, the camera flash will keep flashing like that. Okay, but if you want to, you can go ahead and disable that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.